This week, we're doing kind of a fun activity. We're going to be doing a desert cleanup. Keep Our Deserts Clean is the organization. We're out here off of Mesa Road, picking up a bunch of trash. Just trying to, make things better. So they don't close down areas, close down trails. Unfortunately, there's a lot of people that comes through here, and there's a lot of trash. So we're going to do our best to clean everything up. We got a lot of great people out here. A lot of awesome sponsors. Be sure to check out their website, Keep Our Desert Clean. And thanks for watching.
This is awesome. People are disgusting. Pack it in, pack it out, and leave no trace.
As Ashlyn said, what did you say, Ashlyn? If you can't be nice to nature, don't even come out here, right?
Were you like raised in a barn or something?
How much trash you got, honey? Kinsley, how much trash you find?
I thought you had 1,000,000 pieces.
Scarlett, how much trash you find?
4.
Good job. Yep, there's a lot of trash. Mostly around all these little shooting spots. All this trash. Yeah, it's bad. I mean, these hills are just covered in all their refuse. I don't know. I figured if you're shooting, you should pack. I mean, if you're gonna shoot targets, take them back out with you.
Especially, look, it's all like their boxes.
Yep. Oh, like ammo boxes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep, it's unfortunate. I mean, there's some guys over here that are shooting and they had their target and they took it with them. Yeah, so we just hope that people will pay a little more attention when they're out here. If you guys come out and do some target shooting, that's fine. Just take it with you. Make your own targets or buy some targets. Do what you gotta do and then take it out with you. Don't just leave your stuff out here. It's just destroying the area, and they're gonna close it down. They do close it down.
Come over here. Come help us over here.
Thanks everybody for helping out with that. Huge shout out to Ted with Kolgemeyer Log Route, State 48 Overland, and Pack Rex. They're the guys that helped provide that lunch. We got it from AZ Barbecue, obviously. The lovely lady-owned Toyotas are the ones that helped serve that up to you guys. So huge shout out to all of them. Really appreciate the help on that. Actually, before I get caught up in the raffle, you guys see how many toys we got over there? We're going to be helping a lot of kids out. Kids are going to have a great Christmas, so thank you for that. That's awesome. I love seeing that, guys. Huge help. That's amazing. And next up we have Scarlett Taylor.
Right here.
She has no idea what's going on.
We'll pass it back over to Dylan. So bad news real quick. All right, next up we have Kinsey Taylor.
Ashlyn, can you go over here with her?
Go, Kinsey!
Where's Kinsey? There. All right, we'll do one more. Kate Seigel.
All right, we're wrapping up. Got a bunch of trash. I think they've got at least 3 dumpsters filled full of trash. We definitely filled up both of our trucks full of trash, so it was a great effort out here. Table Mesa Road, trying to get this area cleaned up, looking nice. If you guys come out here and you're shooting or camping, just do your best to, take it out with you. Don't just leave your trash out here. So it really helps everybody.